Hello, here at HotelContractBeds, we constantly strive to give that ultimate feel of comfort and support when sleeping. We want you to be cradled from head to toe and believe that the Marquess 3000 does this perfectly, allowing you to dream in your world and sleep in ours. Handmade in our workshops by master craftsmen with years of experience and the use of the finest quality materials and fillings, the Marquess 3000 is sublime. The medium feel mattress has 3,000 of our unique identity pocket springs, utilising cutting-edge technology, ensuring you have the correct lumbar and spinal support. Hypoallergenic fillings are then hand-layered, giving enhanced recovery and allowing natural temperature regulation to help prevent overheating while softly contouring to the shape of your body. The mattress is then finished with our exclusive soft touch knitted fabric, which is exceptionally absorbent, removing moisture to ensure that you awake from your deep slumber fully refreshed. Hand tufting then holds all the fillings in place, prolonging the life of the mattress, whilst mattress borders are side-stitched, giving strength and durability to the edge of the mattress, with flag-stitch turning handles making it easy to rotate the mattress, prolonging its life. Finally, we fit air vents to allow airflow throughout the mattress, ensuring it's always fresh and clean. Our bed bases are second to none, with solid sides and ends making them probably the strongest in the marketplace today. Available with a choice of storage options shown on our base video and upholstered in a choice of modern fabrics or our unique stain guard vinyl, which is water repellent and easily wiped clean. All our headboards are available in a range of styles and designs and can be made in matching fabric to the Divan base as shown here. This model is shown in a zip and link version for this video, but is available in any size. All our beds meet with Source 5 contract fire regulations, and we're so confident of the products we manufacture that we back the Marquess 3000 with our 8-year warranty. HotelContractBeds, a dream to sleep on.